My name is Jyotsna. I'm from Students for Free Tibet, India.
I'm Guillaume Guilfard from SF3 France. My name is Florian Nogukianatsang.
My name is Lobsang Reichling. I'm from Switzerland and member of the Tibetan Youth Association Europe.
Free Tibet protesters gathered at the main train station in Cannes, France on Wednesday.
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
They were protesting Chinese leader Hu Jintao's arrival at the G20 summit. The summit started Wednesday night.
Today we are asking world leaders and the public to put pressure on the Chinese government here at the G20 to end the military oppression inside Tibet. Tibetans are living under unbearable conditions. 10 Tibetans in recent months have set themselves on fire. Young Tibetans have set themselves on fire, and they are demanding for global intervention and the world to support their cries for help.
Free Tibet! Self-immolation! Self-immolation! Global intervention!
I'm here today because I climb and drop banner in front of the railway station in Cannes during the G20. I think the situation in Tibet is getting really dramatic. That's why today I'm standing here, standing for Tibet.
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Intervention internationale! Free Tibet!
Today I've been rappelling from the Cannes train station and put up a banner and a Tibetan flag to urge the leaders at the G20 summit that are gathering now to jointly intervene and call on to the Chinese government to stop their growing crackdown in Tibet. At this point of time, 10 Tibetans have put themselves on fire in a desperate cry for help.
The people in Tibet are dying, so I say enough to the Chinese politic, I say enough to the growing crackdown in Tibet, and also say enough to the passivity of the world leaders who are here in Cannes now, and if they don't do something, more Tibetan lives will be lost.
I took a pledge to stand up for Tibet, and the 10 self-immolations that have happened in Tibet since March 2011 are clear indications of the desperate situation there, and I feel like it's my responsibility living in a free country to raise my voice for them.
And it was a success. And the reason why I came personally was to be a media spokesperson, but also as a Tibetan I felt it was really vital, really important at this critical time to get the message across to these leaders that the situation in Tibet is dire, it's unbearable for them to live, and we need global intervention to save Tibetan lives. Otherwise, if unchecked, if people do not put pressure on China and if they don't make them accountable, more Tibetan lives will be lost.